This is alpaca, but this is sheep's wool. I'm hoping to add strength to the heel of this sock so it doesn't wear through as quickly, because sheep's wool is stronger than alpaca and longer wearing. Pretty speedy operation all in all, generally. Put some more in there. The more tangled it is for needle felting, the stronger it will be. You want your yarn to orient in all directions. Now, this is just pure aesthetics. I just want to cover the white, more or less, a little bit. There we go. This is roving. You can knit with it, but it's very weak. It's meant to be spun before being used, and it gets spun into something like this. But it's the stuff you use for felting. If you're just going to go straight to felting, you use roving. Felting yarn means unraveling it first, so you might as well get it before it's been spun and save a whole lot of trouble for both you and the spinner. Fuzzy it is. I almost want to leave it like that, but I'm going to felt it from the other side too. This will felt further as I wear these socks. Natural wool often has bits of straw left in it that made it through the washing process. That's a sign of how little processing it's been through. It's nothing to worry about. See, I need to felt this part here a little better. This one might work a little better, it's narrower. You don't need to buy a felting brush, you can just use a scrub brush. You can also use a very firm sponge, because what you're after is a surface your needles can punch into that won't then grab all the wool. This is not going well. You know, I don't mind that. I'm going to leave it. I know that it's going to felt down real quick as I wear it. It's much better than darning. It's much thinner than the results you get if you use darning. So that's a really nice way to repair a socket. Looks better than darned as well. And that will rub and felt down as you wear it. You don't need to make it smooth and perfect.